Welcome to JS Overland. Our friends invited us for a weekend trip to ANZA Borrego Desert. We head out to enjoy the adventures and search for colorful wildflowers and came across some unexpected but amazing sights.
We've
All
been
the
here.
rain, right?
Yeah, so we've been here a couple of years ago and it was completely dried. Right now it's completely green, beautiful, so much rain. And there's blooms everywhere, everywhere. Right now, see, like right here, look at this. There's blooms everywhere.
You think we'll make camp at night? Or maybe close to nighttime.
So I think as we get there, I think that might be completely packed. I'm hoping that it's not. But if it's not, then we're definitely gonna be driving at night to find camp tonight.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Yep, people's exploring.
And it's spring break weekend, so we're searching for a campsite. And I've never seen ANZA Borrego so green, huh?
Nope.
And you can hear the birds. Can you hear the birds?
We just stopped for a moment to listen to the birds.
Yeah, I was just saying the same thing.
Copy.
We're doing the same thing.
We're going to keep going to see if the camp's available.
We're probably gonna want to close this.
Because it's cold?
Yeah, because it's gonna be cold tonight.
Well, we find camp while it's still daylight, I guess.
Yep, still daylight. We found this awesome campsite. You got the moon creeping up on us right there. Morning, guys. We are heading, well, actually we're in ANZA Borrego, day 2, and as you can see the landscape, beautiful day, a lot of bloom flowers, 4 rigs, and we are just exploring. We are loving this area around this time of the year because it's so beautiful, so many beautiful flowers, full of colors, full of yellow colors, purples, and a lot of lush green. We are loving this morning. Besides the fact that we saw 2 jets, 2 F22 jets flying by, and I'll show you this right about now.
this one.
Yep.
Let's see.
A lot of blooms.
So we're on our way to Fons Point, you think?
A lot more of the concentration of the yellow flowers on this side over here.
Yeah, Fons Point.
They're so pretty.
Who's gonna go first?
Mark.
To be honest with you, a little scared.
Yeah, I saw those other trucks sliding.
Staying in the middle of the track, I think. A little bit private.
Joe made it up there, so let's see if I'll make it up there. Next morning, it was time to say goodbye to both new and old friends as we head home. Sometimes a short weekend trip, surrounded by nature and good friends, is all that we need to refresh our mind and be prepared to handle whatever comes as we get back to our usual routine. It won't be long until another adventure calls us again.